Hopefully you guys can hear me at some point. Maybe I'll talk, maybe I won't. Maybe we'll do just a silent stream. So what's up, motherfuckers? We are live again. I'm not gonna do this very long tonight. I'm tired as hell, so I won't be doing this very long, but welcome to the stream, motherfuckers. But I definitely won't be doing this very long today. I want to go to bed. I want to go to bed. I'll probably get copyrighted too for playing this music, and I don't give a fuck about that either. I am in the ultimate no fuck mode right now. So if they copyright me for this, they can go kiss my ass. I don't really care. I'm definitely in the no fuck mode right now. Oh, we're gonna lure in some profits. That's easy. That's easy peasy and it's lemon squeezy. And that's easy. It's peasy and it's obviously lemon squeezy. Let's go see if we can go to that other gold chat room though and get those dumbasses in here.
I predict a historic event.
No one cares what you predict. Mark, the answer to that is, let me just pause this for a minute. Mark, the answer to that is yes, my group is still open for a moment. And don't let these people that tell you that their group is only open for a certain amount of time, don't let them fool you. If you want to give them their money, they're gonna have their group open. So my group is always open, it doesn't close, right? I mean, don't let these people fool you to believe that you must do it because we're gonna close it and it's only open for 5 minutes and then it's going to close. If you are saying, but I want to give you my money, no, you cannot. I will not take your money because my group is closed. Don't let people fool you into thinking that somehow their group is now closed. The intake or whatever. Don't fucking listen to that. It is always okay. Gold. We have a buy on gold right now in the 15-minute chart. We have the pattern setting up in the 15-minute chart. We're taking it. And I'm talking really fast. Remind you of somebody. We're taking the trade on gold because that's what the pattern says to do. So we're going to take it because that's what the pattern says to do. And if we lose, we lose. I don't give a damn. It is K1. What's up, buddy? It is a marketing tool to get you to buy things sooner and to get you to need it like right now, right? Oh, you must buy it right now. It's a fucking marketing tool. So don't ever believe that. Okay, our stop losses on this is going to be 18.89 because we got in here at whatever it is we got in. And I'd rather just listen to music, to be honest with you, than listen to my smuck ass talk tonight. I'd rather just listen to music and wait for them to kick us off. I am so damn tired right now. I'd rather just listen to good music and have them kick us off my stream. That's what I'd rather do right now. We'll see if they can. We'll see if they kick us off. We'll keep playing it and see if they kick us off. I can't drink Dr. Pepper anymore, dude. It's kicking my ass. And the reason The reason I'm extremely tired is because I've gotten probably 3 hours of sleep in the last 2 nights combined because I've had acid reflux kicking my butt, and the reason for that is because I'm drinking caffeinated soda. So I've got to stop doing that. It's literally killing me. So no, I'm not drinking a Dr. Pepper. I'm drinking water. You're chilling? Well, that's good. I'm glad you're chilling. That's good. I'm glad you're chilling right now. Oops. We're definitely not doing this very long tonight, though. We're definitely not doing this very long tonight because I am tired and I want to go to bed. And really, I don't think you fuckers are entitled to any of my knowledge anymore. So, totally kidding, right? I'm totally kidding. Don't take that seriously. Don't take that seriously. That's not. I'm not being serious with that. I love everybody. Don't take that seriously. Don't take it too seriously. Why have you been waiting for this stream all day? Why have you been waiting for this? That's a little bit creepy. It's a little, just a little bit creepy, man. You've been waiting for this all day. That's kind of creepy, man, to be honest with you. Well, in the famous movie Ace Ventura, Pet Detective, which I quote a lot. No, they're never planned, K1. They're just totally off the cuff. In the famous movie in Ace Ventura, Pet Detective, he says, if I'm not back in 5 minutes, just wait longer. So if you've been waiting for my stream all day, just wait longer. Right? If you've been waiting for it all day, just wait longer. Yeah, we're not going to do it very long today. They are never planned. They're just off the cuff, man. I should do it during Don Vu's stream. I should stream at the exact same time that Controller, Little Boy Blue Don Vu streams, so we could show those morons how to trade. I really should do that. I should stream at the exact same fucking time as he does, so we could show those idiots how to trade. But it's 9:35 at night. I'm going to be going to bed soon. I'll do a couple more candles on a 15-minute, maybe a 1 hour candle close, and I'm going to get the hell to bed. And there ain't a damn thing that anybody can do about it. Your boy Controller, yeah, I bet, yeah, anyway, I'm not going to say anything. If that's your boy, man, then, woo-wee. I mean, I know you don't live with your parents. I know you don't live with your parents, man. See, I'm already losing it. I'm already losing it. This guy says, I don't have good enough English. No, you probably don't, man. You probably should. Yeah, you definitely don't have Proper English, everybody. You probably should just stop trading altogether and cry yourself to sleep on your huge pillow because you're probably going to be an epic fucking failure your whole life. That's so mean, isn't it? I'm maybe I'm on that rant and stuff today too. Maybe I'm just going to rant myself all the way to glory. Yeah, maybe I'll rant myself up to glory. And we're losing, right? Oh my gosh, we're losing. That's so terrible. What's up, JJ? So we're losing right now. I don't know what to do about it. We're down like 10 pips right now. I don't know what to do about it. I mean, I should literally cry myself to sleep. I probably should, go seek some mental health because we're down a little bit on a trade. I probably should go seek some mental health. Probably aren't going to do that though. I should go seek some mental health though right now. What happens when the mental health professional like I am? What happens when the mental health professional needs mental health? Then you're all in real big trouble. When the mental health people need mental health themselves, then your asses are all in big trouble at that point. When the mental health professional that's supposed to be helping you needs mental health themselves, then you're in serious trouble. Right? Oh, that's pretty. That's amazing. This is the Dark Knight soundtrack. Pretty smooth, huh? K1, it's the Dark Knight soundtrack. Pretty smooth though, huh? My favorite of all, because I am a huge fan of like just instrumental, but my favorite is Gladiator, man. This one right here, man. This is what I fall asleep to. This is what I fall asleep to every night. This one's even better, and they'll probably kick my stream for this, and I don't really give a fuck if they do. This one's even better. We can get in touch with our Indian roots, right? We can get in touch with our Indian roots and burials, right? With this one. This one's the smoothest of them all, right here. Oh, it's my favorite movie, man. I mean, it's literally my favorite movie of all time. It's the ultimate revenge movie, right? It is absolutely the ultimate revenge movie. I love Gladiator. It's my favorite movie of all time. But I'm really just doing this to see how long I can play this shit without Instagram or without whatever the hell their names are, YouTube, without them, kicking me in the ass and trying to suck my pee-pee. It probably won't be long, and the stream will get taken down. And I guess I just don't care. I'm going to bed soon. But Mark, yes, you can join the group. It's the best group out there. You get 6 one-on-ones. It's $3.99 for lifetime. You get 6 one-on-ones, and then I will take that $400. I will invest it. It's my fucking money, but I'll invest it, and I'll give you 20% of the profits, and I will give you the username and password to that account. I got the best deal going on it for that stuff right now, because not only is that, but the $400 you spend for lifetime signals is actually going to be invested in the market, and you get to keep 20% of that. I could just keep the $400 because it's my money at that point, right? You pay for the signals, you're paying for a service of mine. But I'm like, you know what? Let's trade the damn thing. Let's trade the $400. See if we can make more. I don't have to do it. It is a good deal. So get your ass in there. Get a hold of me on Instagram or get a hold of me on Telegram and get your ass in there because that's a really good deal. And I'll give you the username and password. Not the username. I'll give you the investor password. You know what I mean. Come on, man. Oh, we gotta. I think it's a pretty damn good deal. You know, but what do I know? You know, I don't know anything. I know nothing. I've only been doing this for longer than most people. You know, again, I always say that I've been trading longer. I mean, most people's mummies were still wiping their ass with baby wipes because they were too young to control their bowel movements. So I think it's a good deal. Every one of you fuckers should be in there. What do you mean they were talking about scamming? Daniel Savage and Jeeper were bragging about scamming your money on Dr. Dollar. Where is that? Can you show me what stream it was? Scamming my money? What are you talking about? You mean taking all the money out that I earned in that PAM account and then taking it out? What stream was that? If you can find me that stream and you can find me the time frame that they did it. Well, if you can find the stream and you can find me the specific, I'll obliterate them. Yeah, they took all the money, didn't they? They did. You know they did. They took all the fucking money, didn't they? Yeah, we're bragging about scamming your money on Dr. Dollar. What? So you got to find me that stream, dude. If that's the case, then I'll reveal all the private conversations that JP had with me, whining, complaining to me to take down the stuff I was saying when they were doing it. If they're gonna, they've always been fair with me, and they've, you know, I mean, that thing didn't go well, but you know, they were always kind of fair to me. But if you can find me that stream where they say that they scammed the money out of that account. Okay, well, let's go look at it. If we can find that, then I will obliterate them. They were always very fair with me, so you tell me where it is, where the stream is, right? I mean, I don't know where. Maybe I click on Dr. Dollar. You tell me where you think it is. A lot of these aren't. Looks like a lot of these don't look like they're streams. You're saying it was while I was on vacation. That couldn't have been very long. 8 days ago. They were always very fair to me. So, but it'd just be interesting to hear exactly what they did. Four weeks ago. This one right here. Right here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Do you know, I mean, obviously, do you know, let's eat? Which one is that? I don't even, I'm so stupid. Which one is that? 1 month. I mean, there's like a couple of them that are 1 month ago. Let eat. At the top. Okay, hold on. This one right here that I'm going to circle with this one right here that my cursor's on right here. This one right here that my cursor's on, the last one a month ago. This one. Do you see my cursor on that? Maybe I'll circle it. Is that the one you're talking about? That'd be kind of interesting to hear that they scammed it. Okay, yeah, go look at them, man, and scan through them real quick. I mean, you're saying that they literally admitted that they scammed that account. That would be pretty interesting to hear. That they literally admitted that they scammed that account. That would be interesting. I mean, it wouldn't be. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not gonna say anything. Wow. I mean, if that's what they say, then I'm just gonna totally obliterate them. But I'll wait to see what the proof is of that. And if they did, then I'll obliterate them. Because the problem is, if you go to their broker, which their broker isn't the greatest because you can only do 100 to 1 leverage. But if you go to FX Live Capital and you look at the trading, that account was up for a massive amount of time, and then JP started trading it, and it went downhill from there. So, and then I buried the account because they weren't giving me my money back, and I just wanted my money back. But that's interesting. If you can find that, we're going to play that on this stream. And leverage with my broker is 500 to 1. And I could never get my money out of there too, which was crazy. But let's just go to the trading report. Yeah, which is interesting because I mean they were nothing but fair to me while we were trying to set this up. But it's not surprising that you're saying that they were laughing about that. That's pretty fucking clever. So, and if we do find out, then they'll be answering to an attorney for sure. This was really the last time I took trades on that account, and we were up. This account was up like over 100%, and those gold buys were done in December. So, but yeah, that'd be interesting. That was really the last time I took trades on that account because they locked me out of the account for a long time, and sure enough, if what you're saying is true, there's a reason why they were locking me out of the account because they wanted to take the money out. So that's quite interesting. But I don't want to say that I know that that's what's happening. But if you go through that and you see that they said that, then I'll torch them. I'll torch them. They don't want that bad press. They don't want that bad press. Okay, they don't want that. That would completely destroy them. Because I had JP get a hold of me when I was making posts when they wouldn't give people their money back. He's like, dude, it's not good for. This isn't good for press or anything. Well, then do it. You know. If Russia started a nuclear war, we'd be dead. No. This guy says, if Russia started a nuclear war, we'd be dead. No. If Russia started a nuclear war, they're not even going to get a missile up into the air before the United States shoots it down. So that's absolutely not true either. Russia would not get a missile up into the air without the United States shooting it shooting it out of the air. But yeah, I had a huge conversation with him. I told him, dude, you have to till the end of time, the end of something to get. You just go over this here, and he said, and it's just a huge conversation. Yeah, look at this. This is he said that account's grown majorly. Yeah, the account grew majorly. Exactly right there. So the account was growing. So there it is right there. He says, can you delete the posts, right? Can you delete the posts? As soon as you land, HMU can work out what you want. That bad publicity is unnecessary. We've done nothing wrong. So, and again, if he says he hasn't done anything wrong, I'm going to believe him until there's proof that he has done something wrong. So if K1 can produce the receipts, then I will absolutely obliterate him and torch him. I don't have that proof right now, but if K1 can produce that, then we will absolutely go to war at that point. I'd like to think that that's not what happened, but I mean, I guess we can do what K1's doing and just go through some of the streams and right. I mean, it would have been recently. It would have been recently, right? Well, the funny thing is about it too is he literally took Dr. Dollar took my pattern and renamed it and made it his own, which was kind of interesting.
I want you guys to lose your profit, but you guys can do whatever you want. And then draw this one on the lower time. which gives you extra. Bro, you guys have to join the VIP if you guys want to get this trades called. Like I literally told everybody to buy.
So they're in the stream though, right? So they're in the stream. Obviously, they're not in the stream on this one, so it's probably not this one.
All right, I'm completely out of this trade, guys.
Well, even if it is, dude, you don't do that crap, right? I mean, even if it's you're saying, oh, that might have just been, that you don't play around with that kind of stuff. So if they did that, dude, this has got to be it though, right here, because he has Daniel in there.
Be careful, guys. I only have another 70 million to fund.
Like this guy passed this thing. Challenge.
Talk that shit.
My fucking students kill it. Look, this guy passed the challenge.
Don't worry,
This
boys.
guy passed the challenge.
We just got another investor for $400 million. We're good. Don't worry, we won't run out of funding.
So I mean, Daniel doesn't go on to all of them. So if he's on there, it's got to be those. But yeah, if you look into that, then
No,
I can address it.
Either way, I played non-copyright.
I'll address it if you can find it.
I know, but I should probably delete it permanently just in case. Yeah, brother. Well, he's not gonna lie, but he's just joking, and I couldn't really mute him just because he's been supporting me for. Right, chat. Right, Zoom chat.
Yeah.
That was just stupid, bro. That was just funny.
Whoever finds that, I'll give you $100.
Like challenge fast.
I'll give you $100 I'll cash up you $100. Whoever finds that first.
Dale, cómprame la moto que sea, ¿verdad?
Cómpramelo, señala.
Yeah, if I don't know, I'm gonna hold back judgment. But if that's the case, then
I don't know who
Daniel Raja said he loves you.
Love that guy.
It's like a love-hate. Right? It's a little choppy relationship.
We call it a friendly competition. Check Instagram DMs. I'll check them right now. How about that?
Wow, $400 million. I know.
Oh, really? That's great. No, and that's what I told you. Dr. Dollar took my
So what are we gonna do?
took my candle and made it his own. Right?
I'm a little tired.
Oopsies. I'm just kidding.
No, it's gambling.
Yo, casino vibes or what?
It's got to be on this one though, right? It's got to be on this one, right?
It's either gonna hit red or blue. Play it like the.
If what you're saying is true, dude, I'm going apeshit crazy.
Whatever.
You've never seen me go as crazy as I'll go on this. I'll go off on these motherfuckers. But we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. But if what you're saying is true, didn't I hear it? I'll probably go after those motherfuckers pretty hard.
I'm only getting like 7,000.
But that's great engagement. You know why your Instagram is growing so much? Because of that engagement. You know that the Instagram sees that, the algorithm sees your Instagram, and they're like, "Yo, this guy has 15,000, 16,000 people." And
You're saying it was at the end of the stream.
Bro, that's fire engagement.
Yeah, and I would have been on vacation on this one because I would have been in Hawaii. So I'm just looking in the chat and seeing if anyone mentions it in the chat. That's the easiest way to find it.
Literally.
Question for you boys. Tootsies or Scarlets?
No, I prefer to all the way.
It's probably in this one.
I like them all. I like them all. I like them all. Where are we going?
Yo, your girlfriend's gonna come slap you, bro.
I know.
This person says, till this day, JP still hasn't bought any bottles. It's interesting.
Are you gonna take her out or are you gonna hang out with the boys?
I don't know. I made a rule. My girl has to come out with me at least once a week. Because she would never come out with me.
We got to find that. That'll be really interesting. We're going to go to the charts here in a minute, but if we can find that, that'll be really interesting.
Yeah, it's kind of fucked up. Yo, my nightbot's going out right now because nobody's typing. Let's see. How much do you think? Oh, guys, click that link to get your nation's funded account.
Somebody's like, help me, I'm poor. That's your fault. That's your decision, sir.
I know, bro. People don't understand that God puts you in those situations to be better, bro. At least you're here, you know, trying. Some people are poor, and you know what they do? Spend their money.
So it's about to be over here on this one, so it doesn't look like it was anywhere where we looked. But I am really curious now.
I still can't believe how much do you guys?
Yeah, if you think I've been hard on,
Not sure.
if you think I've been hard on,
You need to trade US 30 on FX.
if you think I've been hard on Control RFX, if that's true, then
Facts, I should be going nuts. Hey, Daniel's gonna make me rich, motherfucker.
JP's the best guy ever. He is the fucking best guy ever. JP's an awesome guy. Fucking, that's one guy I want to catch up when I come to the States.
Pull up, bro. We'll go get lit.
You're gonna take him out to get him.
Why?
I should have listened to you, Daniel.
It felt.
Can I borrow one of your cars when I come to LA, bro?
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
get
you're
a
gonna lose back. You're gonna lose hella money on it anyway.
If you can fit in my Lamborghini, you can ride it.
Yeah. Oh, I'm
What a
riding
sad
it.
guy.
I'm on the way, Daniel.
60.
Daniel, you were calling cells over here on this 5-minute fucking.
yeah, I mean, again, we'll find it. We'll find it, like you said, and if they do, then I will.
Yeah, and then it went, and then it came back. And
If we do, and I hope that that's not what I mean. But you're saying what it is, and I trust you. But you would hope that that's not what they were doing. But if that's the case, I will end them. You might think because I'm just this small person in here, and I don't have a lot of influence. But if they go far like that and they do that bullshit to me, I'll end them. So I hope that's not what it was, and I'll obviously hold back judgment on that until I see it for sure. But yeah, if they're doing that kind of bullshit, then so we set up that PAM account. We set up that PAM account. I went down to Miami several times. We set up the PAM account, and just really conveniently, like when the account started turning around and making really good money, I lost ability to log into the account or do anything, right? Which is kind of weird. And I know the account was doing well. It was over 200% gains, and then it just suddenly I can't get it. And then I tried to make. If you look at, I mean, after a while, it's just like, okay, I just want my money. You know, I want my money out. I invested very little in it. I just want my money out, right? And every time I would make a withdrawal request, it would get denied. And I know that JP, when I was down there, said that he is the one that is in charge of denying or allowing the withdrawal requests. And so he told me obviously that he wasn't the one doing that, which was kind of weird, but whatever. Again, you know, this isn't. So let's see here. Yeah, see these pending requests, all these pending requests, and it wasn't a huge amount of money, right? But look at all those withdrawal requests. Look at all the withdrawal requests, archive requests. I mean, there were so many times I just requested money and they would just flat out deny it. And so I'll wait. I really want to hear that, though. I think it'd be amazing to hear that. I think it'd be amazing to hear them literally come out and say that. I think it'd be phenomenal. So I'll wait on that. I'll wait to hear about that. And I know you'll find it. And I only invested $500 in there. I don't care. $500 isn't going to make or break me. But yeah, it's not even about the money. It's just about the fact that, and I knew going in, that I knew going in that people have bad reputations, but I have somewhat of a bad reputation in the market too. So it wasn't going to
Like
prevent me from.
I'm not worried about bread like that, nigga. Like,
I just need my stocks to go to break. I honestly don't care about DJ.
But now you got me curious. Everyone in here in my stream right now, you need to be searching for it.
Let me unmute you. Oh, well, you can unmute yourself. Let's go get some beers.
I love you, boys, man. You're good fun, man. I always watch you guys.
Oh, so that is JP's in the
Thanks, man. Let me go back.
in the stream there in the background.
I hope you make $85,000 off your DJ
Well,
trade.
boys, hey, I tried. I'm a real one.
Well, we got this first one covered pretty good, so we just need to cover a couple more. I know we'll find them. And again, I don't really care. It wasn't a whole bunch of money, and I'll tell you a story about what I did because of it. It's again whatever. It's just. So he's like the one that JP scammed, and Dr. Dollar was talking about how he used my strategy. Is that what it was? Okay. Doctor said something about using your strategy as confluence. Then Daniel said, "Who the guy JP scammed?" Yeah. This industry is just it's full of that. It's not a surprise, to be honest with you. And I just
right to JP's motherfucking break even, bro.
Yeah. So they just said this is a good question for you. Which is the best strategy for beginners to start with a small account? And I need help, guys.
Oh my god, these are my sales boys.
Any you wanna add? I already have everybody.
I'm still.
we can't take a trade anyways, and with the way that I trade for another
Not in GJ, bro.
12 minutes anyway. So it's not like we're going to be doing anything in my stream right now anyway until the next 15-minute candle. So.
Oh my god, you added another 2 lot? Oh,
JP, how many lots are you in right now?
18.
17.
No,
Holy
17 lots.
frick, bro.
But you see, those are the advantages of
But
having
wait,
Nation with a 10% daily drawdown.
What size is the account? 100K?
I will give someone $100 if they find it. I'll cash up you $100.
For any of you that got a small account, I got some advice for you. Because I started for like not a mini account, but some money. But you can
imagine right now. Imagine I'm over here making 10 racks in trade with 100K. Imagine with $1 million, nigga. I'm making
Yo, I cannot have a bearish engulfing candle. Daniel, I cannot have a bearish engulfing candle, brother.
What's your
I
stop
need you
loss,
to wish me
JP?
some good luck here, Daniel.
nigga, right? Same on the 5-minute.
Like, I need something crazy to happen here, like a fucking 800 pip nut.
Give me some brujeria, nigga.
Yo, facts.
Oh, there goes GJ bleeding, bro. Why didn't I call myself at 500, bro? I'm such a pussy, bro.
I'm so upset, man. I need to go.
I'm over here worried about JP's trade. I don't even care about my account.
Are you selling?
Okay, guys.
I would have fucking I would have secured a bag right here.
I know, bro. Look, you were
I'm
calling,
telling you, bro.
You were calling
Like it's
sells.
literally gonna go to 160.
Daniel, you were calling sells over here on this 5-minute fucking pullback on this one.
I was looking at sales at 550.
Right here.
Once the 5-minute broke under the 8 minute.
Yeah, and then it went, and then it came back, and you were like, "Yo, I think I'm."
We gotta find this. Like it's gonna.
Oh.
And you didn't take it.
I'm gonna like keep searching until I find it.
Because I'm fucking worried about you, bro. I don't care about my account. I just want you.
I
Thank you.
yeah, it's gonna be.
It's okay. Don't worry. I got
Now it's gonna like consume me for a minute.
You, bro.
Oh.
You just left 6 racks on the table, bro.
Yo, why you fucking with my...
You better pray 200 holds, sir.
Yeah,
I mean, like freaking 5'8" or 5'7", bro, and I used to have to look up to her to talk, and I would hold her hand and I would look like this.
Yo, there's a guy. I don't know. That looks like JP in his picture in the chat. Gecko. Do you see that? That's JP, bro. That's JP.
that's not me, nigga.
It looks just like it has your picture.
It might be. Maybe it's the one after this because this is the first one. But
That I actually like you guys all. Really good. And
Daniel Folk
I'm still
loses
fucking
hair.
coming to
I've
terms
actually
with the word
been
nigga.
growing.
Guys, so I just got stopped out of break even on my trade. So that's a dub. We're still holding these runners over here. Down from over here. Break even. Yeah, but look how many members I got. How many you got?
Don't matter. My members are.
Okay.
Anyhow, I think I better say goodbye to you niggas for the night because you guys are getting serious now. Okay, and I don't want to start a nigger in an Indian.
Yeah, I'm not listening. I'm not listening to that language. That's just it's disgusting. I mean, people can do whatever they want, but I'm not listening to that crap. So if you find it, that would be awesome. You can get a hold of me on Instagram, right? But I would love to hear it. I mean, I'll get a good laugh out of it. To be honest with you. I'll get a good laugh out of it. But it would honestly wouldn't be surprising. So, but I went through that stream pretty good while we wait for other stuff to go on.
Because they'll be unfair. Okay,
LJ is a go-to fact.
Damn, bro. No way that I'm gonna get smoked.
Yeah, because I can take.
I told
it's
you,
actually
bro.
joke.
Down 6%.
Good job, brother. Good job. You're learning it to yourself, and that's the best part about it.
JP going to Dave and Buster's for his birthday after that.
But we're on a little bit of a mission. We're on a little bit of a mission right now.
Most funded trader on Nations and
Daniel, what the hell did you just do to your?
We're on a little bit of a mission right now.
What did you do to your mic? It just gets extremely loud or something.
the funded account. He's still enabled,
Oh my gosh.
and he has.
Se la metió en la garganta.
Este es el lower high, ¿verdad? El lower high del mercado. Entonces, is making a double bottom. Yeah, sells also. Let's read the chat. Hey Dollar, I'm new in your group. Didn't you take profit always at 10 pips, stop loss 10 pip? Not always. On gold, definitely not. I have bigger stops for gold. GJ, sometimes. All my stops are due to market structure. Huh? I'm gonna hit TP3. It already hit my TP3. Remember, guys, my TP3 $7,000 in a matter of just like no time. And then he made a big withdrawal, and then he decided to stop trading for the year because he needed to focus on his regular business. But he's still taking in there. So we took a gold buy. Let's say negative. I think it was 25.
Yeah, so I've combed this one pretty good. It's got to be here though. It's got to be here. Maybe it's the one before that. But I have faith in UK1. You'll find it.
Next level shit, bro. Like, bro, Nations really does make it possible for you guys to really change your fucking lives. We have a guy that's $900,000 funded. I'll show you that right now. But let me tell you, bro, this game of fucking Monopoly, bro, this game of life, you motherfuckers love to live on Oriental Avenue with the peasants, bro. Man, you deserve to live on Boardwalk, baby. Come on now. Get a fucking Nations challenge. Like I said earlier, you don't owe nobody shit. You don't owe anybody nothing, bro.
Jesus Christ, this guy sucks ass.
I funded over $4 million in the last month, bro. Right now, real life capital. Stop playing with me, bro. Just be careful, guys. I only have another 70 million. Alright, so Jay just told me.
So yeah, who knows?
I don't think we should post this stream though. That guy was saying the N-word too much.
No, they're gonna delete it either way. I play non-coverage.
JJ, no, it's honestly not because I don't give two fucks about them. I don't give two fucks about them. So it's not hard to be at the top because I just don't listen to people. I mean, I make fun of people, but my give a fuck meter is just at 0 these days. So they can say, I mean, most people just say what they want. I don't really care. I'm just gonna take my trades. I'm gonna do my trades. I'm gonna travel, go to Alaska, go to Hawaii, and just enjoy my life. But if K1 finds this and K1 knows how to get a hold of me and he finds this, I'm going to obliterate people. I'll fly there and obliterate. I mean, I'll burn the whole place down. If K1 can prove that they said that they scammed me and they were laughing about it, I'll burn the place down. I will burn their place down. I mean, I'm not literally going to do that, but I will post every second of every day will be, will be solely dedicated to the fact that they did that. So we'll see. We'll see if K1 can find it. We might go to just a different one too. I mean, it doesn't look like it's on that one, but I just know that Daniel's not on everyone. And again, they were really cool to me. So it would just be interesting if that's what happened.
It's not 50-50 as everyone makes it seem to be.
It's got to be that one, or at least one that obviously that Daniel's in. See, he's talking about the candle there too, I think. But I went into his stream and gave all his people the way to trade, the proper way to trade. I was actually a guest on there. And
candles, this is a bullish candle. Price comes down, price comes down. Price comes down to that level of support. Guess what we get? Reaction. TP2 smash, by the way. Price comes down, reaction. Right? And guess what? There's a chance it could work for me. So if you ever hate a Forex trader, don't let that come in the way of your...
Crazy. I mean, like I said, I'd love to. Oh, we got a 15-minute candle close. So let's go to the 15-minute candle close and see if we have a trade that might be setting up. So let's go back to the 15-minute candle. US 30 doesn't have it. It doesn't look like. Oil doesn't have it on the 15-minute. Neither one of those have it. We'll go to the pound Aussie. Dade said he took one off based on the pattern, and that's awesome. Yeah, it looks like the last one. It looks like the last one would have been a really nice one, right? On the 15-minute, that candle right there that closed at 12 a.m. Eastern time, that would have been a pretty nice candle. But right now I don't have it on that, so we'll go look at the GJ. And if we don't have it on the GJ, then we wait for the next 15-minute candle to close, and we don't have it on the GJ either. So I'll stick around for a little bit longer, but I'm not gonna stick around. Oh, is that the new candle? That's no. That's on the US 30. I was gonna say that candle right there that closed just a little bit ago would have been a really nice candle to get into right there. But that wasn't the candle that just closed. So, but I'm rooting for you, K1. If you can find that, man, ooh, it's gonna get saucy if you can find that. I mean, I will get saucy with it if you can find that. I will get saucy with it if you can find that clip. I will get jiggy with it. I will get saucy with it, whatever you want to call it, because I'm old. But I will light the place on fire. You think I've been tough on Control FX? If I find that out to be true, it's going to be light up time, and it's going to be relentless. I hope that's not the case. But that would mean I'm calling you a liar, and I don't believe that. I don't believe you to be that. So I'm wanting to believe that that's not really what it was, but man, if that's the case, it's gonna be game on. And I won't back down. I don't back down from anything. I'm just a little schmuck. I only got 1,300 followers. They got over 50, 60,000 followers, probably over 200,000 followers between the gang, right? But if they did that, then it's Shit's gonna hit the fan really, really hard, and it will be relentless. I'm just gonna post. I'm gonna post like a little preview too. Post a little preview of it maybe too. Just saying, if this is true, then it's gonna be get ugly. To be honest with you, and I'm relentless, man. When I'm on something like that. I probably shouldn't even. I probably actually shouldn't say that because then they'll just take the damn thing down, right? I probably really shouldn't say anything until you've got the goods. That's probably the best thing to do. Because I don't want to give if they ended up doing that, I don't want to give them a opportunity to take it down before I take it to court and just destroy them, utterly obliterate them. But yeah, if you find that, man, ooh, that's gonna be saucy, very, very saucy, if you ask me. Yeah, I mean, just like really, that's pretty good. All right, I am going to do something I don't usually do. I really believe that the US 30 is going to go down. It's going to make another move down. No, Dave, we don't know for sure, and I don't want to get too terribly into it, but I am going to take a US 30 trade outside of what I usually would do, because I think there's a really, really good chance that we go down from here. So I'm going to place that in there. You guys are going to see it right there. It's in there. It's going to be a 200-point stop loss to begin with, so it's going to be 33,694, and then I'll be here for about 10 more minutes, guys. Then I'm gonna hit the bed tonight because I'm just extremely tired, and I will look forward to waking up and hearing about the stream that supposedly might have scammed me. Yeah, it's not going to be pretty. It will not be pretty if that's the case. It will not be pretty if that's the case. And again, like I said, I hope it's not true, but I trust K1. If he said it happened, it happened. So if it did, then it's gonna be fucking war. And I will not back down. I never back down. So I'm curious, really curious about that. And I know K1's on it, so we'll find out. Yeah, that would be interesting. So you have to kind of look for one that this is going to be it right here. I bet you this one's it. I'm guessing that this one's it right here.
On this gold. Nation stat. Yeah, definitely.
And you're saying it was kind of at the very. You're saying it was kind of at the very end.
Can't show that. Sorry. But look at that. Dude, like everything's fast, bro. People are my students don't even wait for my signals anymore, bro. They just fucking trade on their own and they kill it.
DJ trade earlier on a sell side. Sorry gang, yeah. I entered.
What do you guys want to listen to? We're actually gonna give you guys a shot here to pick the music. I'm a little chilly. I'll be right back. Bro, especially if you get like lemon lime, the Happy Dad lemon lime. This one's pineapple. But lemon lime is definitely way better.
Yeah, I mean, I'm such a, I'm such a,
Yeah, right.
I'm a nobody in this market,
That's
so
disgusting.
that's crazy if that's what happened.
Oh my god, bro. It's hard.
Learn this. I cannot learn that. That's just a BS.
Oh yeah, no. And some people will come to me and can I have money? They'll come to me and my you guys have a great rest of your day and a safe weekend.
I have full faith that that K1 will find it and I'll have a message about it in the morning.
Daniel Schmidt's in it. Nice. Cash is in it. African White. All my VIP members are in it, bro. Shout out to you guys. Use good risk management. Then gold buys.
Yeah, I could take sells now, but I'd be fucking pissed if I get faked out on the sells and then I miss my opportunity for buys.
So K1, if you're still in there, there's a comment from you in there. So maybe gold buys. Maybe that's I don't know, but that's the first time I see you in the comment section in that stream. If you're still here with us, K1, that's the first time I see you in there. So maybe that's a sign of it, because at least you're there, right? You're there now, so.
I'm holding runners on GJ at 151.469.
So if you're still here, K1, you got your first comment was made just now. So we'll see.
Yo, you know what I hate? When people come on the chat and act like they know the fucking future, bro.
Are you still here, K? Are you still here, K1?
Stop acting like you do, bro.
The thing, like they couldn't predict they were gonna be fucking losers and their girlfriends were gonna be getting clapped by Bubba and Latrell and Cornelius, but they can predict the markets. I don't get it.
Oh god.
It's pretty hard.
All right, let's look at our charts too. While we're listening, we can listen to that while we look at this.
Roger, that did you buy Nick's course from the Trade Academy? Roger that. Did you buy Nick's course from the Trade Academy? I don't even know what the dang.
Crazy.
Predict what's going on, what's going to happen in the next
Okay,
hour.
we got 6 minutes left in this candle, and then we'll see what's going on.
I just said. They can't predict their girlfriends getting clapped by freaking Latrell, Bubba, and Cornelius. Back so they can predict the market. Yo, if somebody told me that shit, I'd fucking just turn my shit off.
Look, it's gonna reject. And it's gonna fucking bleed right now. Look at this shit. Read the chat and like react to it. I need to go check, yo. This motherfucker's scary. I'll be back.
You don't even have a strap.
Alright guys, so JP called these buys, so if you guys want to here you go. What are we guessing the market doing today? We never guess.
Yeah, that's crazy.
20p. Bro, my group is so supportive, bro. Thank you, Patricia. You guys are the goats. You guys are the real goats.
No way, come on.
Yo, it's this range, bro. It's disgusting. It's breaking highs, breaking lows, bro. What the fuck is this shit?
I know, bro. I'm so tired too, which is the worst part. I knew I should have went to sleep.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens, but yeah, that would be pretty interesting. I believe it's in one of these two here.
Yo, Daniel, can you imagine how Pop Smoke would be right now if he was still alive?
Retarded. Oh my god, bro. I'm done.
But yeah, that would be pretty. That would be. I mean,
Well, see you tomorrow, right? We have plans? No? Maybe?
Under 850, this trade is like definitely a goner.
Everybody put a W in the chat for Daniel fucking Savage for making a special guest appearance in here.
L in the chat.
No, no L.
Fucking go. Yo, I'm pissed, dude. I'm done.
We're winners. Look at that. W's in the chat, bro. W's in the fucking chat. Don't matter, dude. Keep putting it. Oh, fuck. Right over here. Y'all still talking? Boss, he does what he wants. I kinda wanted to take this long here, bro. Wait, as soon as I leave, bro.
That shit's all, bro. Bitcoin is taxed in other countries too.
I know, but look, so this is my plan, right, guys? Have you guys ever heard of a nomad capitalist? So look.
Yo, look at GJ, bro.
Flying? It should fly, bro.
Are done below this level, which is super strong. If it breaks, then okay, then it sells for sure.
It could definitely be in this area right here.
In New York recently. But
yeah,
London also.
Tipping with the vlogs, bro. No cap.
Yeah, fact. I might get back on it, bro. I just gotta do funner shit, bro. I've just been going out to eat. Tired of this vlogs.
Are you getting fat?
Yeah, I'm actually the fattest I've ever been. Gang, if you guys need a funded company, click that link right in the chat, and you guys will literally be a part of the best funding program ever. And I think Daniel's gonna start like a Discord, right? For them, or no?
For what?
For the nations people, the funded people.
I thought it would be cool, but then remember we're in an industry where a lot of people like think they're right, and other people are.
Yeah, okay, cool.
You want to share your screen?
Yeah, that's fine, bro. I'm actually looking for sales under 156, maybe 800.
Yeah, that's crazy. All right. Well, we'll find it. Let's go back to our charts because there's a 15-minute candle close coming, and then I'm going to go to bed after this. So we'll find it. I'm not terribly worried about that. We'll find it, and if we do, and if we find it to be, you know, that's exactly what they did, then there's going to be hell to pay. So there will absolutely be hell to pay if I find that to be, if that's accurate. There will definitely be some hell to pay. You know, if you taking advantage of me like that, would be pretty saucy, right? And again, like I said, I hope it's not what it is, but if I get the evidence, I'm just going to present the evidence to the people that need to be presented the evidence. I'll say, hey, what the hell's going on with this? You know, what the hell's going on with this? So if that's the case, you know, wait a second here, bro. I said, bro, what's going on? I wrote the damn bill. So, all right. I don't see anything that I really want to look at, so I'm gonna go to bed. Sorry, guys. This stream kind of was a shitty stream tonight. I just don't really want to stream tonight. I just want to go to bed. And hope that the US 30 makes a nice move down during the night. I've got my stop losses in, so I can go to sleep and not worry about the trade on the US 30. But I'm hoping that goes down, obviously. All right, so K1, you've got my Instagram, right? You've got my Instagram, right? You got my Instagram handle. You follow me on Instagram, right? If you just fire up that, I will. It'll be game on, and I'll be relentless in my yeah. But you have my Instagram. I was just making sure you have my Instagram, right? Or you know how to get a hold of me. Yay, nay, way, nay. I guess we could look at the GJ too, and look at the GJ and the other one, the GA. The GA pretty close to the pattern, right? I mean that pattern is pretty close. So I'm going to take the GA. Actually, because that 15-minute pattern played out. That 15-minute pattern, 15-minute just closed has the pattern. So I'll take a trade on the GA. You guys can see it right here. because at least in this stream we're no FOMO and we're no homos, and we take the trades live. Okay, so you can see the trade there. You can see the terminal up when I'm streaming, because like I said, I'm not a pussy like a lot of these YouTube streamers are. And we take trades, live trades in a live terminal because we're not pussies. 75.43. So we're gonna go 175.10 on that stop loss, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to bed. But that was the pattern. I mean, it's that simple. You just look, is the pattern there, and take the damn trade. So. Okay, and stop loss is in place. Any other questions before I go? But yeah, man, I would love to hear that. I would love to see what went down with that. So, all right, guys, you guys have a wonderful night. Be good, be safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, which gives you a lot of options, right? Which gives you a lot of options. No, I'm not, JJ. I'm going to sleep, man. I've gotten 3 hours combined sleep in the last 2 days, 2 nights that I've been in a DC trading stream. So no, I will not be coming there tonight. I mean, if I get a wild hair, maybe, I guess, right? If I'm up, but I'm hoping that I can go to sleep because I need to get some sleep. So I will not be